Hey guys, J-Box here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick intro to this product, Adzenze Fortune Teller. And I'm actually on my way to get some more coffee real quick. But this tool has made a huge difference in my AdSense business. And I've actually been able to take it to the next level. And I'm sure it can do the same thing for you. Based on what it can do, I'll show you guys a screen share real quick and a real quick demo of the tool. And I know it can help you guys too as much as it's helped me. So I hope everybody takes action on this, and like I said, it's made a huge difference for me. I know it can do the same for you. So I'm going to get some coffee real quick and show you guys a screen share. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, so the first step of using this tool is to have your keyword list, and you can harvest this list from the Google AdWords keyword tool. Just log in, choose exact match, and I go through how I harvest keywords in the guide. But for the purposes of showing you how this thing works, you can see I've got a big list of keywords. It took me about 3 minutes to get, and I've got about 3,200 keywords in this list. So what I'm going to do is, you can see there's still duplicates and there's the brackets and everything, so the tool is going to take care of all that. I'm just going to press copy all of these keywords, put it into the tool there, go into the big keyword list and paste. Now I've got all this data in the tool. I'm going to go to the site plan. So I go to the site plan module, just like this, and now you can see the big keyword list is right here. I just pasted that in. So now I'm going to press the button, sort big list, and AdSense Fortune Teller is going to go through and strip all the brackets, get rid of the duplicates, and sort these keywords into the 3 keyword types, and now it's done. So now I'm going to go to keyword type 1, and these keywords are sorted first by biggest traffic, and then it takes the top 30 and sorts them by CPC. So I'm going to grab some of these keywords here, maybe the top 3, and I'm going to put them into the site plan. I'm going to go to keyword type 2. I'm going to grab maybe 5 or 6, 7 of these, put these into the site plan. Go to keyword type 3, take some of these. These are sorted the exact same way, and these are the lower traffic keywords. Put these into the site plan. And now I'll explain what the tool does. I'm going to click default values, and now you can see this is the data, all the colored data. This is what we got from Google. And what the tool does, RT is real traffic, so it shows us based on ranking what the real traffic is going to be for each keyword. Then we've got page views, so how many page views we're going to get from each keyword, the net CPC, what the real cost per click would be, or close to the real cost per click based on Google's cost per click. Then we've got monthly clicks, monthly money earned, and daily money earned. So as you can see, just by pasting the data and doing nothing else, you can look over here at the forecast, and you can quickly see the potential of this group of keywords. Very easy to see how useful the tool is just from what I've done so far. Now the second step would be to change some of this data based on how you think you could rank for each keyword and what you think your CTR could be for your keywords as well. So we'll start by looking at the lower traffic, lower competition keywords. These are going to be easier to rank, so I'm going to put these guys, let's say, at 3. Just for the sake of this demonstration, I'll do them all at 3. Okay, now I'm going to rank these medium competition, medium traffic keywords a little better too. So I'm going to just go with 5, 5, 5, and then maybe 3, 2, 2, and let's say 1 on that one. Then the harder keywords, the bigger traffic, bigger competition keywords, maybe put one of those at 3, one of them at 5. Making those changes, you can look over here, my monthly earning potential, daily earning potential, flipping potential I could get for flipping the site, my break-even point once ranking, 2.6 months, total SEO cost, content cost, starting cost, average advertiser competition, monthly traffic potential, average cost per click, and average net cost per click, which is what you're really going to get per click. So as you can see, all this data is here for us to look at. We can make changes if we like, get rid of some of these keywords, pop some new ones in here from your big lists, and you can take all these keywords and check the competition quickly. With Traffic Travis, you just copy and paste into Traffic Travis and it'll give you the competition data that you need if you do competition research for these keywords. So that covers what the tool does and why it's useful. It's pretty easy to see that this is a very useful tool if you're looking to understand the real possibility of your site based on the real factors that you don't get from the keyword tool. So the last thing I want to do is just show you guys the CTR is set at 2% as a default. Most sites can do better than that, so I'm going to go ahead and just click this button and it'll change my CTR globally to 3, 4. I'm going to put it up at 5%. So now, based on what I just did, you can see my monthly earning potential has changed significantly. So after you use this tool once or twice, you'll see you start using it with every single site you make. There's 5 site plans inside the tool. There's a navigation here. It makes everything very simple. And that's pretty much it. That's how the tool works. That's why it's useful. I use it for every site I make now. And as a result, I started making a lot more money with Adzenze since I started using this tool, because now I'm making much better sites based on much better data. So thanks a lot. That's it.